Today we are taking a look at Del Webb's new Explore community located in Palm Desert, California in the Coachella Valley. Now, this is Del Webb's first non-age restricted community in the state of California. Prior to this, they were 55 plus only and gated communities. This is a non-gated community, but still an HOA community. The HOA fees in this community are $331. And I know, what do you get for those $331? There is a clubhouse with a fitness center and meeting space. You've got tennis, pickleball, bocce ball. There is green belts and walking trails and so much more for this community as well. Now the tax rate is 1.73%. The school district is Palm Springs Unified, so the schools in this area are Rancho Mirage High School, Nellie Kaufman Middle School, and Rancho Mirage Elementary. You're just a few minutes away from the College of the Desert Community College campus. Easy freeway access, giving you access to the Acrisure Arena. Shopping nearby is Costco, Walmart, Sam's Club, all sorts of restaurants and other shopping as well. So let's go explore the Explore community and take a look at all 6 models that they have. So the first model we're looking at today is the Bailey Escapade series. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1366 square foot model starting just under $523,000. So let's take a look. As you enter here, walk down this hallway, to the left is your first bedroom and bathroom. So these are 9-foot ceilings, recessed lighting. You've got closet here, and then full restroom here. So you've got the shower tub combo. Your toilet is there with the single vanity. Now, as you walk back to the entry and the hallway to the left, you've got the flex room. So 2-bed, 2-bath with a flex room. 1366 square feet. This is the smallest of the models. So you've got the open floor plan, that's your living area there. Kitchen, and an island that looks about the ability to seat 3. Kitchen, Whirlpool appliances, and then your dining area is right over there. Got a little pantry area there. The sink is in the island. Gas stove. Let's take a look at the pantry. And then your dining area with access to the backyard. So they've got a nice sized pool. We'll take a look at that, but let's look. Here is your primary bedroom. The ensuite dual vanity there, and then you've got your walk-in closet, toilet room, and then shower. So no tub in the primary. Your tub is the second bathroom, and then you've got the dual vanity there. Let's go take a look at the outside backyard. So this is the model. See there, they've got a nice little lounge area there. You call that like a tanning shelf. And then a nice sized pool. And they even put together a little outdoor kitchen, an elevated outdoor kitchen. I like that. So you see here, these are some of the views. Obviously, this community isn't built out yet. So that is model number 1. This is the smallest model that they offer at 1366 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's go take a look at the next one. All right, so as we head over to the second model. This one is called the Kinsey. Now this is still part of the Escapade series, which is their smaller modeled series. This one's just a tad bit bigger on the square footage at 1375 square feet, and this is 2 to 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So let's take a look. All right, so this is the second model home, another part of the Escapade series. It's called the Kinsey, a little bigger than the last one, 1375 square feet, but this is a 3-bed. It could be a 2-bed and a flex, and 2-bathroom model. So to the right by the front door here is your first room, the flex room, or you could use as a bedroom. And I'll show you why, because you've got your room there, and then there's a large closet off of the bedroom, and then this is a linen closet, storage closet. And if you look at the floor plan, it's a flex room there. So it could be the bedroom or it could just be a flex room. And then as you walk down the hallway, you walk into the kitchen, open kitchen, because that's your dining area there and your living space there. Again, 9-foot ceilings in these models, as they are the smallest models in the community at 1375 square feet. This model has KitchenAid appliances. You've got the refrigerator there, 5-burner stove, and then you've got the oven and microwave there. Sink, dishwasher, nice size island, and all of the islands have these little pop-up outlets for you to plug in your appliances. It's blenders, toasters, whatever you want to take out and use. And then we missed the pantry. We've got the pantry right here. So decent sized pantry. And then right around the corner from that, right off of your dining and living area, you will find the next bedroom, laundry room, and access to your garage. Now this is the entire laundry space. There's no room for a sink here. You've got washer and dryer only. And then you've got the second bedroom, or the first bedroom, if you use that other room as a flex room. Closet is here. And that would be your dining area right off of there. There's the first restroom, full restroom, no tub, just a stand-up shower in this one, but I'm sure you could do the shower tub combo. And then as you come around the corner, you're in the living area there. There's a little alcove here for your TV and entertainment center. And then to the left there is your primary suite. So all 3 bedrooms are on the right side of the house in this model, but not right on top of each other. There's a little space in between each, with the first bedroom being before the kitchen, then the one in the middle, and then this is your primary suite here. So nice size. This is a California king bed, to give you an idea of the space. And they got 2 nightstands there and a dresser. Then your restroom is right here. Again, this one doesn't have a tub. This is just a stand-up shower. Over here is your closet. And then you've got the toilet room there. Dual vanities. And that is your primary suite. So as we go back out here, let's take a look at the backyard. Nice covered patio here. This one does not have a pool, but you got a nice size covered patio. You can still see the mountain view here. Obviously, depending on the lot, if you have any neighbors behind you or how close they are, will depend on your view. But plenty of room for a pool on this size lot as well. And that is the Kinsey model of the Escapade series. And that concludes our tour of the Escapade series, the smallest size models that they offer here. Don't forget, there are 4 more other models. If you want to check those out for the mid-size and the large size, be sure to check out my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to All Things Coachella Valley. I drop new home tours just like this one every single week. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this brand new community in Palm Desert. And if you're interested in seeing any of these models, don't forget to bring your realtor with you first. I, of course, would absolutely love to work with you if you don't have an agent here in the Coachella Valley, as I am an expert in all things Coachella Valley. But it is vital that you bring your realtor with you on your first visit, because the sales office will make you register. And if you do not have a realtor on your first visit, you will not be able to have representation. So vital, don't forget to do that. If you're interested in working with me, you can call me at the number below. I'd absolutely love to work with you. And as always, follow me for all things Coachella Valley. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, as I do all sorts of house tours, let you know my favorite places to eat, some hidden gems, and all things Coachella Valley. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.